Hello and welcome. The team here is dedicated to helping local families become homeowners through a unique rent-to-own program. We will help you get into your dream home, even if your credit isn't great and you can't get approved for a loan right now. The goal of this video is to explain to you how our rent-to-own program works so you can determine if it's right for you and your family. So here's how it works. When you find a home that you want, instead of putting down a security deposit, you'll make a down payment of anywhere from 3 to 7% of the purchase price. All of your down payment goes towards the purchase of your new home when you buy the property. This down payment ensures that you are the only person with the ability to buy the property and that the agreed upon purchase price will not change within the time of your lease. This down payment is also called an option fee. You will then move in and lease the property while you work on rebuilding your credit and getting a loan approved to purchase the home. The lease is generally 18-month term, but will sometimes go as long as 24 or even 36 months. If you need to repair your credit, we can connect you with a great company who helps many of our clients with credit repair. They're unique because they also own a mortgage company, so they will know exactly how to help you get your loan approved. Once your loan is approved, you can purchase the home you've been renting, and now you are the homeowner. Your days of throwing money away towards rent are gone. Let's take a look at a quick example with simple, easy-to-remember numbers. Let's say you find a home that you love with a purchase price of $100,000 and a monthly rent of $1,000. Let's say you've saved $5,000 to put down. Now this money can come from a tax refund, your 401k, or an IRA. It can come from a cash advance on a credit card, private money, or gift money. The list goes on. You can put down $4,000 as a down payment, which would be 4% of the purchase price. You could then pay the first month's rent with the extra $1,000 and move into your new home. Remember, while you're renting the home, you will be working on getting a loan approved. The bank will see you've already put down $4,000 or 4%, so the loan would be for the remainder of the purchase price, which is $96,000. Better yet, if the home is worth more when you purchase, let's say $115,000, that equity is yours. Nothing beats appreciation. When the loan gets approved, you purchase your new home without the hassle of having to move again. And the best part is, you don't pay any realtor commissions. Here are just a few reasons why people love our rent-to-own program. First, you can start living in your dream home before you have the good credit, and you won't have to move again when you purchase your home. Second, you can purchase the property anytime within the lease period, and the purchase price will not change. 3. Renting to own gives you plenty of time to shop around for a mortgage with the best interest rates, so you can have the lowest monthly mortgage payments possible when you buy. Fourth, the more you put down up front, the more flexible the seller can be with monthly rent, purchase price, and other terms. And moreover, the easier it will be to obtain a loan. Please take a moment to fill out the form below so we can get you on the right path to becoming a homeowner today. Remember, it is completely free and there's absolutely no obligation. The team here will contact you shortly after receiving your submission with a list of local available rent-to-own homes that fit your criteria. We're excited for you and believe that together we can have you and your family safe at home sooner than you ever thought possible.